Imagine this for a second. It's a random weekday morning. Your alarm doesn't go off. You're not rushing anywhere. No boss. No traffic. No stress. Instead, you wake up, check your phone, and see a notification. Dividend payment received. Not once a year. Not once every few months. But every single month. And here's the wild part. That money didn't come from working overtime, flipping products, or chasing side hustles. It came from owning assets. Now before you roll your eyes and think, here we go again, another get-rich-quick story. Let me stop you right there. This is not about getting rich fast. This is not about gambling on stocks. This is not about needing thousands of dollars up front. This video is about how ordinary people slowly build a system that pays them $4,800 per month, starting with as little as $20 per week. And yes, it's realistic. But only if you understand the math, the patience, and the strategy behind it. So let's break it all down step by step. The big idea most people never learn. Most people are taught one financial rule. Work for money. You go to school. You get a job. You trade hours for dollars. And when you stop working, the money stops too. But wealthy people play a different game. They follow a much quieter rule. Make money work for you. That's where dividends come in. Dividends are payments companies send to shareholders just for owning the stock. You don't have to sell anything. You don't have to time the market. You don't have to be a genius. You simply own pieces of businesses. And those businesses send you cash. What does live off dividends actually mean? Living off dividends means your monthly expenses are covered by dividend income. Rent, food, bills, internet, transport. Instead of asking, how much do I earn per hour? You start asking, how much does my portfolio pay me per month? And the goal in this video is simple. For $1,800 per month in dividends. That's $57,600 per year. $1,200 per week. $160 per day. Not luxury rich, but financially free in many places. But how does $20 per week turn into that? This is where most people get confused. They look at $20 and think, that's nothing. But wealth doesn't come from big money. It comes from consistent money plus time plus compounding. Let's slow this down. $20 per week is $80 per month, $1,040 per year. Now imagine doing this every single year. No skipping, no quitting, no panic selling, just boring consistency. Now add three powerful forces on top of that. Dividend reinvestment, dividend growth, time. This is where the magic happens. Why dividends are perfect for beginners. Dividends solve a huge problem beginners face, emotions. When stock prices drop, traders panic, beginners quit. People sell at losses, but dividend investors think differently. When prices drop, dividends often stay the same or even increase. So instead of fear, you think, nice, I'm buying more income for cheaper. Dividends turn market crashes into opportunities, not disasters. The type of investments we are talking about. This strategy is not about penny stocks, crypto gambling, random YouTube stock tips. It's about dividend ETFs and strong dividend companies. ETFs are baskets of many companies combined into one investment. That means lower risk, instant diversification, less stress. Think of it like buying the whole farm instead of betting on one crop. The target number you need. To earn $4,800 per month, you need about $57,600 per year in dividends. Now here's the key formula. Annual dividend income equals portfolio value times dividend yield. Let's assume a 4% dividend yield, very realistic. So, $57,600 divided by 4 equals $1,440,000. Yes, that's the long-term portfolio goal. And before you panic, remember, this is not built overnight. This is built over decades with compounding. Why most people fail before they start? People fail because they want fast results. They quit after 1 to 2 years. They don't reinvest dividends. They chase hype. This strategy rewards patience, discipline, consistency. The market doesn't care about your feelings, but it does reward people who stay. How the $20 per week strategy actually works. Here's the system. Every week, you invest $20 into dividend-paying ETFs. Every dividend payment, you reinvest it automatically. Every raise you get, You increase contributions slightly. No timing the market. No guessing bottoms. No stress. Just automated investing. What happens in the first few years? Real talk. Let's be honest. The first 3 to 5 years feel boring. You'll invest hundreds, then thousands, but your dividend income might be $5 per month, $20 per month, $50 per month. And this is where most people quit. They say, this isn't working. But this is actually the hardest phase, because progress is invisible. The compounding turning point. At some point, usually around years 10 to 15, something strange happens. Your dividends start buying more shares than your weekly contributions. Your money starts growing faster without extra effort. That's when compounding wakes up. And from there, things accelerate. Why this strategy is realistic. The title isn't saying, you'll make $4,800 next month. It's saying, this is how you build a system that eventually pays $4,800 per month. Big difference. This is slow wealth, quiet wealth, boring wealth, but it works. Who this video is really for? This video is for beginners with small income, students, 9 to 5 workers, anyone tired of financial stress. It's not for people chasing quick money, people who can't stay consistent, people who quit when it gets boring. The mindset shift you must make. Stop asking, how fast can I get rich? Start asking, how can I build income that never stops? Because once dividends cover your life, you stop working for survival. You work by choice.